Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor S.V. Shedare from Agricultural Engineering Department. In last session we learned about different tractor engine systems. This session we will start with farm tractor, introduction of farm tractor. Okay. Now what is meant by tractor? Tractor is a self-propelled power unit. It means it doesn't depend on the another power source. Okay, it have its own power source. Okay, then which having the wheels or tracks for operating agricultural implements and machines including trailers. You know that the tractor is basically used for doing the different agricultural operations and to run the different implements and machineries. Okay, now the tractor engine is used as a prime mover for active the tools and the stationary farm machinery through the power takeoff shaft. It is also called as PTO shaft or belt pulley. So the power received to run or active the different stationary machineries and mobile machineries that can be done by the tractor engine. So power generated in the tractor engine that is transferred to the PTO shaft. Okay, so different types of stationary and mobile machineries can run easily. Okay, now tractor development. Okay, this is the short history of tractor development. So first, the present tractor is the result of gradual development of the machines in different stages. So let's see the history of the tractor development. In 1980, the word tractor appeared first on record in the patent issued on tractor or tractor engine that is invented by the George H. Harris of Chicago. Okay, then in 1906, successful gasoline tractor was introduced by Charles W. Hart and Charles H. Parr of Charles City, Iowa. Okay. Now after that, in 1920 to 1924, all-purpose tractor was developed. Then in 1936 and 1937, diesel engine was used in a tractor and pneumatic tires were introduced. Okay. After that, in 1960 to 61, tractor manufacturing was started in India by first manufacturer, that is Eicher Good Earth. Okay, so this is most important. So first tractor manufacturing company in India, that is Eicher Good Earth. Okay, then next in 1971, Escorts Tractors Limited started producing Ford tractor. Okay, after that in 1982 and afterwards universal tractors were established. Okay, now the next point, that is classification and selection of tractors. Okay, so here the tractors can be classified into three classes on the basis of structural design. So what are those three classes? So first class, that is wheel tractor, then crawler tractor, or it is also called as track type or chain type. Then last one, that is walking tractor. It is most obvious used tractor in India in nowadays, that is a power tiller. Okay, then let's start with the first classification of tractor, that is wheel tractor. The tractors having 3 or 4 pneumatic wheels. Pneumatic means or air filled tire is made up of an airtight inner core filled with pressurized air. Okay, it is so the tractors which have 3 or 4 pneumatic wheels called as a wheel tractors. Okay, after that, four-wheel tractors are most popular everywhere, as we know that. These are the examples of four-wheel tractor, and this is power tiller, and this is the crawler tractor. Okay, or it is also called as chain type or track type. Okay, there are track or chain type models exist instead of wheels. Okay, now crawler tractor, this is also called as track type or chain type tractor. In such a tractor, there is endless chain or track in place of pneumatic wheels, so it is called as crawler tractor. Okay, now power tiller. Power tiller is a walking type tractor because when running the power tiller, the operator is just behind that tractor. Okay, and it walking behind that two-wheeler power tiller, so it is called as walking type tractor. Okay, Now this tractor is usually fitted with two wheels only, okay, and the direction of travel and its control for the field operation is performed by the operator walking behind the tractor, so it is called as walking type tractor. Okay, now on the basis of purpose, okay, we learn about on the basis of structural design there are three classes. Now on the basis of purpose, again there are three classes. So first class, that is general purpose tractors, then next one, that is row crop tractors, and special purpose tractors. Okay, these three classes are the wheeled tractor classification, are the classes of wheeled tractor. So first, that is general purpose tractor. It is used for the major farm operations such as plowing, harrowing, sowing, harvesting, transporting work. Okay, mainly in this type of tractor the purpose is considered. So what purpose you are going to use the tractor, that is considered in this type of tractor, so it is called as general purpose tractor. Then after that, row crop tractors. Okay, it is mainly designed to work in rows like planting, in intercultural operations, so it is called as row crop tractors. Okay, such a tractor is provided with replaceable driving wheels of a different thread width. Row crop tractors has a high ground clearance to save the damage of crops. Okay, also wide wheel track can be adjusted to suit the inter row distances. Okay, so according to the inter row distance we can adjust the tractor wheels. Okay, now next type of tractor, that is orchard tractor. These are the special type of tractors and mainly used for the orchard, so it is called as orchard tractors. And such a tractors have less weight, less width, and no projected parts. Okay, this is the example of orchard tractor. After that, special purpose tractors. Okay, it is used for the definite jobs like cotton fields, marshy lands, hillside and gardens, etc. And special designs are there for the special purpose tractor. Okay, now the next point, that is selection of tractor. There are some criteria, those are useful for the selection of the tractor. So first one, that is land holding. Under a single cropping pattern, it is normally recommended to consider 1 horsepower for every 2 hectares of land, and in other words, one tractor of 20 to 25 HP is suitable for 40 hectares of the farm. Okay, so 1 hectare is equal to 2.5 acres. Okay, now let's see the second criteria for the selection of the tractor. Generally 1.5 hectare per HP has been recommended where the adequate irrigation facilities are available, more than one crop is taken. Okay, so a 30 to 35 HP tractor is suitable for the 40 hectare farms. Okay, and when we considered only land holding, then 20 to 25 hectare horsepower tractor is suitable for the 40 hectares. Okay, now next point, that is soil condition. A tractor with less wheelbase, then high ground clearance and low overall weight may work successfully in lighter soils but not work successfully in case of heavy soils. Okay, now next criteria, that is climatic conditions. For very hot zone and desert area, air cooled engines are preferred over the water cooled engines. Okay, because there may be chances of evaporation. Okay, now next point, that is similarly for higher altitude, air cooled engines are preferred because water is liable to be frozen at a higher altitude. Okay, now next criteria, that is the repairing facilities. It should be ensured that the tractor to be purchased has a dealer at a nearby place with the technical skills for repair and maintenance of the machine. Okay, so the dealer should be near to your place. Okay, then next, that is running cost. Tractor with less specific fuel consumption should be prepared over the others so that running cost may be less. Okay, After that, initial cost and resale value. While keeping the resale value in mind, the initial cost should not be very high, otherwise tractor amount interest will be paid to be otherwise higher amount of interest will have to be paid. Okay. Then last point, that is test report. Test reports of tractors released from the farm machinery testing stations should be consulted for the guidance.